Kum ka jing sing burang mi ka jing map ai ka sarkar ya kot kisla joki kali lembaga one time settlement OTS scheme mentak sengi ka Seng Trai kali hapok lama ka joint action committee JAC kla pelong ya ka jing Pynphong Jain Spong ya terang ba u Conrad kisang ma ki sembut mitrang ba tentup ba Prestone tensong ba Sniawbha lang dahar ha ka jing lang ka belong ha State Central Library Shillong ha bakran ka jing lang gini gini ngam ka sarkar ka Pynphong ba ka sensia kada kadai habakut man syakri gi pajba bat koroi ke par ka don jingmut tang lada ka kentiu ya jing im ginang syang shnong trang ba apun pau ba habadon gi jing ki riu san putai gi asya khen kum ginang shun ba hanrei habala ban penbet ya gi aka khamnya kan don gi jing itu bat kani gi jing penkup burom kalong ka badon burom bat ka don jingmut ba ula ong ba ka OTS scheme kan ma mo na kumba pras pa son pokro sya ka syah jar klul keban yarap ya kumba kan do hajar ngot kinong nya trok bat kumba alak ngot ki breu keban syak ta bej ha kan ni kam
nga ai kublai ya ka joint action committee na ka binta ka program. It always happens and we are quite used to it that there is always expectation from leadership and from government. But after the expectation is met, or rather let me go one step back, that before the expectation is met, then the politicians are the biggest enemy and the biggest villain in the state. I remember as a small child, my late father was the labor minister, and there was a large group of association and laborers who had come and gathered outside our house. I was very small, and they were shouting slogans against my father, because there was a demand which at that point could not be met. And then after that program was going on, so my brother and myself, we didn't know what was the purpose. So we also went and joined the association, and we were also shouting. And I remember the slogan that was put against my father, and we also were shouting. The slogan was, "P.A. Sarma ki dawai, jute chappal aur pitai." So this is what politicians we are used to. And we were very small, as I said, from that time we saw this. So for those who didn't understand Hindi, P.A. Sarma ki dawai means P.A. Sarma's medicine. For P.A. Sarma is jute chappal aur pitai. Means juta se chappal, you beat him up. So that is his medicine. So that's what politicians' life is. But it is rare and very, very rare that politicians are appreciated sometimes and felicitated by those who have benefited from the decisions that have been made. And I must put my sense of appreciation along with my colleagues. And that's the reason I took a special lesson in Khasi to thank you in Khasi, in our official language, to let you know that we sincerely appreciate this felicitation program. It means a lot to us. Because as I said, we work day and night. When the problem is there, we are the biggest villain, and when we solve the problem, nobody bothers. But it is rare, and I'm very thankful to you for organizing this program.
Kawai ka mga kuha panong ba kung ka program. nghiêm du kham lo kon ha ka ji syakri pai ba ka joni nama mangi uba syakri pai ba uba don na ka syuki bun ka syaktin bun ka syakten bun ka syakala tan kan dia ki ban appreciate jaka komala ong ni mas ngoba It called Joint Action Committee Kuble Sia Jan. Ya kani kecil benar belum jopli. Nak kata pidei ka channel kapadot kamta ban kedeu ya kayo kakot jom kejelam ni kala ajui. Kumbala ong ni mas ngauha. Ni hanne ke transportation ke penisanya. Kendai posan persen kadai lembaga road transport. Berhapo ke kabinet hadir balai presentation dari Mas Sniawbha rengkap bagi officers naka transport department ngan ya tu EP kan here ke revenue jom government labun ba. 4,440 kaba pide ban siu kam de ka kam masuk ba kam de ka kam ba mangi ngin sula ban su ong be to ngin ma henrei da ki pun serta kijing berkah ba ha ka kado hapo jong ka jingalam jong chief minister badon burong jemi Pras 40 tahun, naka 4,440 tahun. Nilalapan na. But ni om yang scheme, kalau so special. One time settlement scheme. Teka bangakwa, ban kedu, ban kerpa, ya di parok. Simba kani mereka kabuk siap. Kabaka sorkar ka ay na kebentajam fi. Bat na next step banang di sana. Ginang lah ban yo lani banang lah susu ban kedi. Ya ka business ke jompi haka transportation sector. Bat ay bagani kanong ka kubor ya ki pipe back nong sok snong jompe celah ke jompi. Bahabangi kuat ban hakti uno lo berhakti tang silia kita ada di badon kejintuna kajabi abat hakti kemudian berhakor namar kumba maom ya pi kibapun ba kita lapmi bandu kerja niyo i pek football man kami hakawal kau iyo plia ujat plia. Ubasa ay kato karong saw doni. Ubasa ay kato karong stem doni. Mo. Tehnlay lada pipet ya ka ay ka kanun. Pilio i. Ba uno uplia ubasa ay reka sa ay yelo. Bulsi mutum juga melakukan pun. Lakbit kayu beriu. Keletihan hadir aklet. Klet saya kabul. Tekan mau ha. Mapi kum tikra. Kum kaset. Wat lakbit kayu beriu. Ken mau bapinyan na ka destination destination. Bapinang haga kamay kaji. Bat om tan kata ngagar patlan jadi pait ba nong sok snom jobe jela ngakarai ka kedeu ti than yiwe kadai ka bom sei sok ai kuble bi sia jang
tenente ga yuri ki kre su tong yo ki ante no pru driver ya kari di gimana dulu ikon itu yang lagi dulu mungkin pakai juga lah tahu macam kita punya crisis crisis kebutin besorkal pagi kat kamu cak kabor mulai. Nanti dah du implementing scheme unity warok mudah-mudahan yang pada kai pada warok di kari itu. Tan sawang disuham dalam ayat kamu ni opportunities. And give it one good demand we have itu di kari ko sa itu dalam examine kat kawan tadi. And also the request for those vehicle with its new document. I told them we are still examining the matter, sir. I informed them. And also there is one more very genuine demand because presently we are imposing that fines very high. So even that also is under process of examining how to go at the minimum possible from the government side, from the transport department. Kini percang pak orang UBM and Dr. Panin, the video in here, so the tip will come holy any and move face with the tip there. They somehow you cooperate with the officer, going in, money, go like that, English in its part, and Dr. Panin have it talk with God, Perin, God Islam. Even when we Prachanpai, even when we need your Kerala, Kerala, now, some who in Bunsin, Kynjreng not one Bunsin, hadu ko butawan ko hade en ji era ko happa I mangli ko ni bitaw lai bai ki khan yo ki kam sarkari waro hoi o driver trucks kebelik truck hana ismen chi moto ki vito ki vrantes ko kambo state ko kamano rai ko ni yo ki hem lepi state kamu ko se won